Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you what you can do if your Samsung Galaxy S24 is really slowly or just stops from time to time and it just doesn't really work. We have two things we can try to get our phone running normally again, and I will show you what that is. First thing you can do is you can perform a restart, and for that we can go to our drop down menu and then we have that button here in the middle, and then we can say restart. That will then restart our phone, and then we can also perform a forced reboot with pressing the volume down and the power on and off button, and then keep pressing beyond this menu. Keep pressing until you see the Samsung logo, and now you can let go. Both the restart and the forced reboot will fix some bugs in the background, and then hopefully you're able to use your phone normal again. So now we need to unlock our SIM card, and now we're back in the phone, and hopefully your phone is running now smoothly again. So that's what you can do if your phone is really slow and stops from time to time. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.